Hey everybody, welcome back to Circle H Farms. This is the video I promised you, a month or so ago. Just some clips of our family getting together and cooking our huge Brunswick stew. I didn't get as much on video as I would have liked to because I didn't anticipate peeling the potatoes to take so long. But we started early in the morning and we let it cook most all of the day. If you've never heard of Brunswick stew, it's kind of a southern thing. It's a thick stew. They used to make it with squirrel and rabbit meat, but we use beef and chicken. And we add potatoes, corn, butter beans, tomatoes, fatback, and butter and our spices, which is a family secret, so I can't tell you what that is. And we let it cook over a fire for hours. There's tons of stirring involved, and we're so thankful for the cousins that came early and helped out. We grew all of this meat and produce ourselves here on the farm, and these are all of the jars that were emptied in the process of making this stew. I cooked all of the meat ahead of time in the oven and in the crock pots, and the kids helped shred it all up pretty finely before we put it in the stew. You'll see here that we cooked two pots. One is over a wood fire and one's over propane. The one with the wood fire always tastes better and it's more traditional, and the propane one cooks faster and easier because you don't have to feed the wood on the fire. We ended up mixing the two pots together at the end so that they tasted the same and had the same amount of ingredients in each. I had to turn the sound off and put music over most of the videos because I don't think the YouTube world is quite ready for some of the stories that were told while we were doing this. And after everyone had plenty to eat, we still ended up with about 30 quarts left over. We just had a really fun day carrying on a family tradition, and we always enjoy everyone getting together. If you did like this video, would you give it a thumbs up and maybe hit the subscribe button to follow along on our channel as we share more videos about simple farm life.